living the dream.
In this video, we visit the town of Manjimup, enjoy some old-style cooking and take a tram ride through the forest.
Well, we're on the road again. We've spent 3 days at Walpole, which was fantastic, and I'd have to say that there was a lot of, what would you say, Julie, a lot of interaction with nature that I'm sure you saw in that last video. So we had a really good time there. Amazingly, at times we're the only one in the caravan park, no one else there. So today we're heading off to Manjimup. We're going to stay at the Fonty Pools Caravan Park, which is just about 7 minutes out of Manjimup, and there's a few things to do and see around that area. So we're going to spend 3 nights there as our Western Australian adventure continues. Signing off.
Over and out.
Well, here we are at Fonty's Pool Caravan Park, just out of Manjimup. And it's a lovely spot, but once again, there's not a lot of people in. Just on the other side of the office down there, there's a pool. You might just be able to see it. I'll take some photos of that. And there's caravans up the back there, panning around. Toilet block, very clean. I've just been there. But as you can see, lots and lots of space, and they put us down the back there. That's us, the other side of that camp kitchen, and a lovely spot. We're sort of top and tailed, got the awnings out touching each other, so we'll be nice and protected in there. We've got a fire pit which is complimentary, but you do have to buy their bag of firewood, but that's okay. They've got a business to run, and if it's raining and you can't have your own fire inside the camp kitchen here, there's an open fire that they light every afternoon. And there it is there. So, I've got a feeling I might use that at some stage, but we'll have to wait and see how the weather pans out. What a lovely spot. Fonty's Pool Caravan Park, just near Manjimup. Signing off. The art of making a jaffalline for dinner. Number 1.
Big Bang Theory.
Preparation.
Plays the mother of the...
Step 2.
Have to take a photo.
Preparing the javelin for cooking. Running out of stag chili as part of step 2. Step 3, cook the javelin. Step 5, consuming the javelin.
And a wine chaser. Kings
Cheers.
of Prohibition. Perfect.
You've nearly demolished that, Lynn.
I have. That's it. And when someone says, I'll have half. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for part 6 when we move on to Margaret River and our Western Australian adventure continues.